So here at the Foldimate booth at CES 2019, we see a product that you guys have probably heard of by now, seeing as it's the end of the show. This is a laundry folding machine. So it's actually quite easy to use. You just put in your shirt, pant, or almost any clothing item actually, right into the little feeder thing, and it just takes it in, does its magic on its own, and then just puts it all in a nice pile and just shoves it out on some bottom plate for you. So you'll see in this video the guy's feeding the shirt. It just pulls it in. It's kind of a soothing motion in my opinion. And then you'll see at the bottom it does this little exit thing, but then goes back in. I accidentally stopped recording before the actual finish, but once it's finished it does come out and then stay out. But then you can see it's a nice folded pile of laundry.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my coverage of CES so far. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the updates, and follow me on Twitter at SolidStateTweet to get first updates on absolutely everything. If you have something you'd like to say, any comments, thoughts, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys very soon.